Today I'm gonna make simple beats using stock plugin. All right, it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna use only stock plugins, default, everything default. So we're gonna use this one, then we're gonna use the clap, hi-hat. Super simple. Let me change the theme so that you can familiarize yourself with. So I'm going to change the theme to the default one. Okay, make sure you subscribe, give the video a like. Let me know where you are watching this particular video from. It's super simple. Okay, so I'm gonna load scalar 3 and we're gonna use it to come out with chord progressions. If you have not watched the video on scalar 3, then watch the video that's gonna pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch that. So I'm gonna choose this. Super simple. So I'm gonna stick to 4 chord progressions. Let me combine this. All right, now let's go here. Then we're gonna highlight this one, create 8 bars by holding Alt and dragging it to fill 8 bars. All right, super simple. Now let's place that one over here, 8 bars like this. Change this to song. All right, super simple. We're gonna go back to the scalar 3, and over here we're gonna click on the plus, then add melodies. So let's go for melodies. Janice, let's go for something cool. All right, if you don't know how to use scalar 3, then go and watch that video. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to this one. Now let's listen to this. I'm gonna increase the volume over here. All right, then we're gonna increase the tempo to 140. I'm gonna delete this particular track. Super simple. So now we got this particular melodies coming from scalar 3. Let's listen to this. All right, so what we're gonna do is to load Morphine. All right, we're gonna load Morphine. Super simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now that we've gotten Morphine, what we're gonna do is to open. Let me place it over here. We're gonna open the scalar 3 once again. All right, now watch here. We're gonna drag the chord progression and place it over here. So we're gonna do this. Oh, sorry, we're gonna hold everything. All right, now we're gonna drop it on the Morphine. Can you see that? Next, we're gonna clone the Morphine once again. Clone. All right, so we're gonna make it duplicate. Then next, we're gonna drag the melodies, highlight, then drag it over here. That's crazy. So we're gonna deactivate the scalar 3 for now. Now let's change to patterns and start with the chord progression. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so let's bring it low octave and listen. Okay, so now let's change the tones for Morphine and see the one that's gonna be nice. Guys, after browsing through Morphine, I went for the strings and I'm gonna use this STR harps now. All right, now let's listen to this particular tone. So we're gonna add the melodies, and now let's go for another tone from Morphine. We are using the 4 stock plugins. Super simple. Morphine got tones. So what I'm gonna do is to go through some of the tones. The one that's gonna be great, I'm gonna choose it. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna stick to this particular crystal key snag from Morphine. Morphine got a lot of tones, alright. That's super simple. Now let's add our bass, and to add our bass is simple. We're gonna follow the root notes from the chord progression. All right, so we're gonna duplicate Morphine once again, clone. Then over here we're gonna select the bass. Then let's go for the chords. All right, then we're gonna copy, then paste it over here, go there, and we're gonna delete these ones. I mean, we're gonna leave only the bass notes. Okay, so let's delete this. Super simple. All right, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give this video a like if it helps you. Okay, so we're gonna, okay, so let's enable this one. Then we're gonna take this one off. Then let's bring this low octave to create bass. What I'm gonna do is to bring this particular one low octave, hit Control plus down. This one too, Control plus down, Control plus down, like this, to create a bass, simple bass. Like this. I want to do something simple. Let's take this one high octave like this. I like this. All right, now let's try some of the tones from Morphine. Morphine got tones. All right, we are making beats using Morphine alone. I'm gonna off the metronome. That's super simple. So I'm gonna stick to this bass bubble MC. All right, so now let's add everything. And I'm gonna clone the melody. Instead of sticking to one, we're gonna duplicate this, paste it over here. Let's try and combine it. I mean, layer it with another instrument. Okay, so let's browse through. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna stick to this particular mellow flute from Morphine. Okay, now we got our nice melodies, chord progressions together with the bass. It's time to add the drums. You ready? Let's do this. So now we're gonna go for the simple drum pattern. Let's enable everything here. We are using stock plugins with stock sample packs. I mean, case coming from FL Studio. You gotta make everything simple. You don't need expensive plugins before you can actually create banger songs or beats. All right, just be creative. Now let's start adding some drums. I'm gonna increase the volume. Let's go to the piano roll option. Then we're gonna fill the rest of the bars. Let's delete this one. Hit Control B. Super simple. Now let's add some hi-hats. We're gonna right click and just fill 3 steps. Alright, we're gonna make it something more interesting. Alright, so we're gonna highlight this one over here. Then we're gonna extend this. Hold Control on the keyboard together with Control plus U. So we're gonna be creative when it comes to the hi-hat. Okay, and to do this, we're gonna extend this one, then change the snap grade to 1/6. All right, then hit U. We want sharp. Okay, that's crazy. So let's change the snap to grade to, let's say, 1/3. Then extend this one like this. So this is gonna be ta ta ta. All right. Something super simple. Then we're gonna highlight everything. This is my cheat code, guys. We're gonna clone this. All right, now bring it here, send it high octave like this. I think this is a banger beat. All right, so now let's try and add the cakes. Okay, so let's add the cake. Go to the piano roll options. We're gonna make something more interesting. Change to steps. We're gonna increase the velocity. Okay, we don't want to do crazy things. We're gonna keep it simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So let's make here more interesting. This super simple, guys. This is crazy. Then I'm gonna add the snare. Let's add snare. Okay, so let's create another pattern called the snare. Okay, now the snare for pattern 8. Change this one to song. Then let's add simple snare. All right, go to the piano roll options. It's gonna come inside at a certain point. All right. That's super simple, guys. That's the snare. We're gonna increase the velocity. Alright, so now that we got this one, let's try and fill some of the bass. Super simple like this. So guys, after everything, this is a simple arrangement that's I want you to listen. We use default stock plugin, Morphine and default sample packs. Listen to this. We use the default stock plugin Morphine. Morphine can take your music production to the next level. So make sure you go straight to FL Studio, figure out the best tones from Morphine, the best tones from Flex. If you want to know the best tone from Flex, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Click on the link in the description box and download the free sample pack that I'm giving to you. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.